would describe my life at DSU as a dynamic whirlwind with academic challenges, personal growth, as well as the social encounters. It gives us a variety of opportunities in the way of critical thinking and also to understand much about the subjects and different types of activities that occurs in our college.
College of Pharmacy Sciences has collaborated with Avenida Innovations, where they give us some extra teaching about clinical pharmacy practices. And recently they did a symposium where we were taught about how clinical pharmacist activities takes place in the US and how it takes place in India.
As Dayananda University has promised, they have given us the anonymous, prominent knowledge with an great infrastructure, with an experienced faculties, which help us to gain a lot more knowledge on what exactly pharmacy is about.
Okay, in general, the collaboration is integral for both academic as well as the personal growth. But coming to the academics, it helps us strengthen our confidence, good communication skills, and also come with a good result if there is a problem solving assignment given. In personal, I would say collaboration is an interpersonal skill which includes communication, leadership, teamwork, which is actually important for a successful in every aspect of life beyond the university as well.
Coming to the labs, we have machine rooms where different punching machines, tablet punching, capsule making machines are all placed. We have Pharmaceuticals lab, we have Pharmacognosy lab for development of the drug. For formulation, we have Pharmaceuticals lab, and to carry out our further experiments, the M.Pharm are provided with the animal library also, where we have rats, mice stored, where we can do pharmacological experiments also. So amalgamation of all these labs gives you a complete drug discovery cycle in front of our eyes.
DSU is a university wherein there are a lot of departments. Different people from different departments, we all interact. There are various fests and all which are held so that we students get to know each other. The campus is so huge in itself.